It's too low. It's too low. It's too low. Yeah, it's too low. No problem. This is great. Oh, yeah, that's easy. Please, no.
Oh, das ist gut.
This is not good. Oh, yeah, fun. This is not fun. I don't know how to dance. I'm telling you. Please. Please, no. But I'm just gonna go.
No, Lieutenant, that's not over.
Volkmeyer and Skulovich, I'm gonna get you.
Yeah.
Okay. This is not fun anymore.
Set.
Set and playback.
Why?
I just want to get some punch. I just want to get some punch. That's all. I'm just gonna get some punch. That's all. No. I just want the drink, you know? Please, I just want to get some punch. Man, you guys got a lot of energy, you know?
Like that uniform. Oh, we love a man in uniform.
I just want.
That's not over yet, Lieutenant.
Okay. Okay. I'm dancing. I'm dancing. Okay. Here we go. Oh. I'm just gonna dance. All right. Just gonna dance. Just gonna dance a little. Just gonna dance.
Ready.
But I'm really, really tired.
Dance.
I'm really
Dance, Lieutenant, dance.
But I don't know how. I'm really I'm just gonna go right over here. You know, I really think I should.
Don't dance.
But my men are I really gotta be on duty, you know? I really think I should just, you know, my men are gonna be here any minute. I should really, you know, I'm really working, actually. Where do you get all this energy?
You look so manly.
Oh, you stepped on my
We
feet.
love a man in a uniform, Lieutenant. You're so handsome.
Oh.
You stepped on my toes.
Oh. Well, aren't we having fun yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Oh, but look at the time.
Oh, it's not
I
late
really
now.
should be getting back.
Guys, no talking.
You sure this stuff is gonna come off?
Excuse me. Sorry. Lieutenant Stone, sorry we're late. We're never going to believe this. I mean,
Okay, I'll put it this way.
You
You ever been?
I mean,
Let me take care of this. There's a
Lieutenant-
place in New Mexico called Roswell. Okay, there's a UFO place there called Area 51, Area 23. No. Okay,
He's got bread!
Set.
You sure this stuff is gonna come off? Well,
Sir,
Sorry we're late.
really?
You gotta understand, sir. Time just slipped away.
It
You
did.
know,
I'm
kind of
telling
like
you,
you're
it just
watching an
slipped
old
away.
Japanese movie on TV, something like Godzilla thing or whatever. You know, you don't really want to see the movie. But by the end of the
Sir.
you know, and
Oh,
after
he's got bread! Run for it! Yeah!
Are you sure this stuff comes off?
Sir.
Sorry we're late, sir.
Sorry, man.
Time just slipped away. I mean, you know how
It
that
slipped
happens.
away.
You know, I mean, we
mean-
forgot about you. But we didn't forget about you. It's not like you're unimportant or anything like that. Well, you kind of are unimportant. You know, you really just sort of get under my skin sometimes. Well, see the way I just dripped up.
He's got bread.
Run for it, man.
Are you sure this stuff is gonna come off?
Sir.
Oh,
Sir.
sorry, sir, we're late. But
It slipped
yeah,
our mind.
We forgot about you.
Sir, we did
not
our
about
best to make
you.
it back. I mean,
the
there's
sort of
no way
dominating
we can
tyrants
make
in
any
our world.
excuses
The
for it, but it's
government,
not our
Illinois,
fault. Sir,
Roswell,
we were
UFOs.
abducted by... He's got bread!
You're sure this thing will come off?
Sir, sorry we're late.
Sorry, we're late, sir. I mean,
what we can do
we
about
forgot
it.
about you. I mean,
Sir,
not
we
forgot
didn't
about you. I mean,
forget
there's so
about
many
you. We just
tyrants
had
in our
many
lives. I mean, the
circumstances
government being
that
one of them.
led
I
us
mean,
to be abducted
Paulie,
by
UFOs,
aliens.
Roswell.
Sir.
You're
He's got bread!
Are you sure this stuff is gonna come off?
Sir, sorry we're late, sir.
Sorry we're late,
There's
sir.
nothing we can do
We
about
forgot
it.
about you.
Sir,
I mean,
listen,
we didn't forget about you. I
mitigating
mean, there's so many
circumstances,
dominating
sir.
tyrants in our
Sir, we
life.
were abducted
You,
by
the government,
aliens. If you don't believe
aliens,
this, or at least that's
Roswell,
what we thought.
Vietnam, Shadow Company.
He's got bread!